Hi. Do you know what is the most important thing if you want people to pay attention to you? To listen to your words? To start sharing what you say with other people? Yeah, it's being able to tell good stories. Interesting, engaging, inspiring. Yes, that's what all good stories should be, but where do we get them? Good stories are the foundation of journalism, like most things people do. Religious leaders, for example, use this weapon to preach, to persuade their followers. Good directors and producers use the same weapon to get millions of people around the globe to watch their films. So do political leaders. And what about the media? The more interesting stories journalists tell, the bigger the audience the media they work for have. You already know two important things about what characteristics the content you share should have. First, it must be truthful and not designed to manipulate people into doing harm, like fake news and misinformation. And second, it has to be interesting to someone, to bring him information that they need. However, this is not enough to create a good story. There are rules you need to learn. There are experiences you need to explore. Storytelling is an art, but it's also a technique. And if it's a technique, then you can learn it. Fortunately, there are thousands of examples of good stories around us that are being shared by people. And it's not just the stories in movies and books. Big brands understood this a long time ago, and they're using storytelling to influence their consumers more. So do politicians. But if there is anyone who only works with stories, then that's a journalist. And you can learn from them, from the stories they tell. This topic is dedicated to storytelling. You will find out what the elements of a good story are, what role they play, and how they are arranged. You will understand the difference between a text and story, and how you can use all of this to learn how to create content and report events in a way that captures your audience's interest. Enjoy!